arrived.
So I have made it to the lake I'm gonna be fishing this morning, and it's been a while since I started fishing at night. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning right now, and as you guys can tell, it's still pitch black out. And honestly, I love fishing at night in the dark like this. To me, nothing beats a good topwater bite at night. I'm gonna be starting off with the whopper plopper this evening. It's in blue blood color and 110 size. But really, any size or any color works. I don't think it matters. Then, because I heard they stock this lake with rainbow trout, brown trout, and brook trout, I'm gonna be throwing a trout swim bait today. This is an 8-inch Huddleston. And when the sun finally comes up, I am gonna be still sticking with topwater, but I'm gonna be moving to the lily pads, and then I'm gonna be throwing a frog. I got a normal size frog here, but this frog over here, I'll show you guys in the daytime, is pretty big, so I'm hoping to trick some of those bigger bass with this bigger frog. So I'm starting off with the whopper plopper like I just said, and really you could use any topwater bait that makes a loud noise, like a crawler bait or maybe a buzz bait, something like that. But I'm going to start off this morning by just hugging the lily pad line. I'm going to do the best I can to stay out of the lily pads, but it's pitch black out, so I'll do the best I can. Little one. Alright, first bass today. Alright, well, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but first bass today, or this morning on the whopper plopper. Nothing to write home about, but first fish today. Got one. Turn the motor off. Get up here. Nice bass. Biggest one I've caught here so far. Okay, you're caught, bud. There we go. No way! This guy is a greedy guy. Bud, what do you got down in there? I'm hoping you guys can see that little dark spot in his mouth in there. He has the tail of another fish in there. Honestly, it looks like a little brown bullhead tail. But that's awesome. Funny thing is that fish was like 1.5 pounds, but like half of its body weight was that fish it swallowed. I don't know what it swallowed. It did have that rounded tail like a brown bullhead, but the brown bullhead was so big it couldn't even swallow the whole thing. The tail was sticking out of its stomach. Really? All the way out there? All the way out in the middle like that, and it's just tiny little bass? Ouch. 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 Get out of here, little guy. Whoa. Look at that rock right there. It's a big rock. So I am more than like 3/4 of the way done fishing today. Only probably have about an hour left to fish. So hopefully I can hook into more fish than just 3. I do have quite a bit of lily pads to go, and I'm still pretty optimistic I'm gonna hook into at least a couple on that frog this morning. Here's just a closer look at the frog I'm using. It's from Live Target. It's black, my favorite frog color.